Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta S model 1.4 turbo. We're doing front and rear brake pads and rotors, cabin air filter, and a oil change on it. These rotors and they rusted out, man. I couldn't even get the damn tire off. It was so seized on there. Alright, let's get it, man.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got this clip here, we gotta take that off. Let me take off these caps here. And we gotta hit those hex bolts to remove the caliper. Alright, those are H7. Get that bracket off and we can pry this off with the pry bar if you need to. Alright, this is how I'm pushing that piston back with some channel locks. Bracket off, 21 mils, holding that on. T30, rotor off, hit that off with the hammer. Was seized on here, so we got to clean that up. Get a little wire brush or sandpaper. Alright, new rotor, cleaned it off with the brake cleaner. Get that film off of there. Give you new clips, new locking clips. And we are done with the front. Put your caps back on. And we're gonna head to the back. And they so low back here. Alright, we're gonna hit these two bolts right here. Get this caliper off. I had to put a pair of vice grips on that bolt to hold that, to keep it from spinning, so I can get that one out. And those are 13 millimeter. These things done. Now you want to take your guide pins out and lubricate those. Next we got two bolts. One's here and one at the bottom. Get those two out. Get the caliper bracket off. So to get that bracket off, MT14, that's what you need. It's the only thing that's gonna fit off in there. T30. All right, we got that push back. Now this is the tool that I use to push the piston back. It's gonna be a little tough, but you can get it done. Push it and turn it clockwise and it'll go back. Yep, that's gonna be it for the front brake pads and rotors, and the rear. Till next time, man. Pull up, King.